Hello again, pilots. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your individual images that we captured with the drone to Drone Deploy to process into a single cohesive map. So you should have received an email invitation from me with more information, with an invitation to join a Drone Deploy group. So if you accidentally deleted that email, just reach out to me again. I'll be happy to send the invite again. But we're going to start by going to dronedeploy.com and then log in with your UCSC credentials. I'm going to log in here. And the app will start up. Mine's going to look a little bit different because I have a lot of different projects going, but I'm going to go to My Projects. And you will be invited to one of these projects here. So I'm just going to go to the farm group here and delete this one. And we're going to create a project. I'm going to go to New Project. And I'm going to navigate to UCSC up here in the top finder bar. Get approximately in the right location. Get close to the farm, create my project there. I'm going to click to start that. I'm going to call the project, this one I'm going to be using the data set that I walked you through in a prior video. I'm going to go to drone flights. We're going to go to the Skydio data here. We're going to work with the RGB data from the Skydio. I'm going to upload the Strawberry Year 2, which is the site close to the yurts. So we're going to upload all of this imagery here for processing into a single map system. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to call it, I'm going to call the name. This is where that naming of folder structure can really help. But I'm going to go here, go to drone flights, Skydio. I'm just going to copy this name. This is going to become my project name. That, paste it here, and then for the coordinate system I'm going to select WGS 84, which is our World Geodesic System. This is the projection system for the georeferencing for the images, and so my project is named after the site. The the aircraft that I use, the Skydio 2, the sensor RGB, so I should probably add RGB here, and the date and year, month, day. Hit continue. Move my record window out of the way. There we go. Okay, now we need to upload our data. So we'll go to upload up here in the top, and we're going to go to new upload. And then it says drag or drop the media or choose the files. I'm just going to choose the files. And we are going to go down to the external drive, to drone, Skydio 2, Strawberry Year 2, into our raw folder. I'm going to select all of those. And hit open. There we go. And it's starting to upload. There we go. It shows the coverage area for the images. Oh, we can click the More option here. We can view details on that. We can also add ground control points if we had GPS ground control points. And then we will click the Start Upload button. This will start uploading. It's going to take some time. I'm going to pause and come back when that's done. All right, we're back. So that took about 30 to 40 minutes for about 350 images to upload on Wi-Fi. So you'll definitely want to plan ahead when uploading images. Once the upload progress is done, it'll switch automatically to this processing piece here, and it'll send an email to you, to UCSC, to the registered email that you have. And that's really it for this video. I think once this is all processed, we will come back and take a look at the product under the Explore button right here. Okay, stay tuned.